Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to break down the project structure of a Next.js 15 application. Whether you're a beginner or just getting started, this will help you understand where everything fits in your project. Let's take a closer look at the folder structure you'll typically find in a Next.js 15 project. Node modules. This is the first folder you'll notice. It contains all the libraries and dependencies that our project uses. We don't need to interact with it directly. It's managed by npm. Public directory. The public folder is where we'll store static assets like images, icons, or files that don't require processing. For example, the favicon ICO file lives here, and any asset placed here can be accessed directly via the browser, such as /file svg, globe svg. Source directory. The source folder is where our app's code resides. It contains all the logic and UI for our project. Inside this folder, we see an app directory, which is a key feature of the new app router in Next.js 15. App directory. The app directory organizes our application using a modern file-based routing system. Let's go through its contents. Global CSS. This file defines the global styles for our application. Favicon ICO. This is your website's icon that appears in the browser tab. Layout.js. The layout file wraps all the pages in our app, allowing us to define headers, footers, and other shared components. Page.js. This is the home page of our app and serves as the entry point for our application. We make component directory and component file here to use in the page. I am making header.jsx component in the component directory. Gitignore lists files and folders that should not be pushed to our Git repository, like node modules.env. README. A markdown file that you can use to document your project for other developers or contributors. Configuration files. Now let's look at the configuration files. Package.json. This file contains metadata about our project, such as the name, version, and the scripts we use for running or building our app. We can see dependencies name and dev dependencies that are installed for the project. Next.config.mjs. This file is used to customize the behavior of Next.js, like redirects, rewrites, or enabling experimental features. Postgres.config.mjs and tailwind.config.mjs. These files are specific to styling your app using Tailwind CSS. That's it for the project structure overview in Next.js 15. Now you know how each folder and file plays a role in building a Next.js app. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into creating and customizing layouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.